Charge my AC. I already took the cap off of my charging port, which is down there. See, I've already got hose attached to it. There's the hose. I gotta put this onto the can and do the charging. Here's the can. We're using AC Pro with leak stop in it. So one moment. Alright, got in there, got the truck running, AC on high. So I'm going to start charging it. Almost completely full. Let me check the AC. See how cold it is. Oh, it's almost like ice now. That's what I needed. Woo, baby. There we go. Alright, I can pull that off, save that, and I got another can up there. It won't focus, but anyway, another can over there. That's good. So I'm going to shut the truck down and disconnect that. And that's how easy it is to charge your AC. See the little nipple down there? That's the one I had it on right there. That nipple. And here's the cap for it. I'm going to put the cap back on. Change hands here. There, the cap is back on. Alright, cap's back on, AC is charged. Boom, that took me what, 5 minutes if that? Not even that, 2 minutes. That's how easy it is to charge AC in one of these. Done deal.